Test. This is a test video real quick. All right. Hello, my friends. Today, I'm going to teach you how to drive a manual transmission. Real quick, real easy. Bam. So, as you can see in this video, there are my two beautiful feet in somebody's. So, the first step you have to do is make sure your handbrake is down. Make sure you're in a safe and stable location. Carlos does not assume a liability if you crash or hurt yourself or anyone around you. Anyway, with the legal repercussions out the way. Brake is on. Your shifter is in neutral, right? Your handbrake is all the way down. Make sure your brake light isn't on your dash. And all you have to do now is put your foot on the brake. Everything's ready to go. The brake's the only thing holding your car. So the first thing you want to do is put the clutch all the way in. As you can see right there. All the way in. Put it all the way in. Perfect, right? And then when you want to start moving, you can slowly let go of the clutch, or what you can do is slowly let go, but at the same time, or in bigger terms, simultaneously put your right foot on the gas. So check this out. I'm going to play it all once right now, okay? One quick motion. This is a real quick tutorial. You're a valet. You're in an emergency situation. You learn how to drive a stick. This is a very, very quick way. Make sure you put the clutch in, the shifter into first, and then slowly let go of the transmission while giving the gas. But make sure you put it in first. I didn't mention that earlier, but make sure you put it in first. Check this out. Clutch in, first gear. Giving the gas, slowly let go on the clutch, and now I'm moving. See? You can hear the exhaust, my beautiful exhaust. This is going to be a hard shift to second. Gas off, clutch in, second gear. Put the gas back on, third gear. See how easy that was? See how easy that was? Oh, super freaking easy. So we'll do it again. So remember what I said earlier, guys. You have to put the car ready to go. So foot on the brake, e-brake down, in neutral gear. You're in a safe and secure location where it won't hurt anybody but anybody, including yourself. So now let's watch that again. I'm gonna explain everything. Ready? All right. Here we go. Clutch in, first gear. Slowly let go on the clutch while giving the gas. And as you can see, I'm moving. I'm turning right now. I'm using my other hand to record, so it's kind of hard. And then, so to shift gears, it's clutch in, it's off gas, clutch in, second gear, off clutch, give it gas. I know it sounds a lot, but in practice, it's a lot easier. Listen here. See, this is me going to second. See, very easy. Going to third. Notice how I lift my foot up right there before I get into third. So, here we go. Very slowly right now. Off, clutch in, third gear. Clutch out, giving the gas. And that's how you go into third. Alright? So just watch this video as many times as you need. Practice in a secure location. Make sure you don't use Daddy's expensive C7 Corvette. Or Daddy's Project Miata. Or your own Project Miata. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking care. But I just want you guys to know. So remember, first gear. Clutch out, give it gas, and go. Practice that. You want to stop, put the clutch in, put it in neutral, then brake. You want to stop real quick, just put the clutch in, don't put it in neutral. But if you want to stop and go, clutch neutral, first, blah, blah, blah. Alright, perfect. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you didn't, leave a comment below. Or stop.